Want to make your phone last for years? Follow these easy tips for iPhone or Android users. Make your phone last longer with these easy tips. Phones like the iPhone 15 Pro Max and Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra are expensive. Maximizing their lifespan saves money and the environment. For such informative tips in future, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Companies like Apple and Samsung support their phones for years, but you also need to take steps to maintain them. Always install security updates to keep your phone safe from hackers. Check your settings for available updates regularly. Use a case and screen protector to prevent physical damage. They'll keep your phone looking new and protected from drops and scratches. Replace a worn-out battery instead of buying a new phone. DIY kits are available, or get professional help if you're unsure. Clear out old apps and photos to improve performance. Back up important data, and consider a factory reset for a fresh start. A simple cleaning of your phone's ports with a toothpick or toothbrush can solve charging issues and improve sound quality.